Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Welcome to the channel German Lernen Made Easy. And today is the first lesson and we are going to learn the alphabet. Actually, the German alphabet has 26 letters. By the way, how many letters has your alphabet? Let's write in the comment. And guys, I have already prepared the material, and as the first point, we are going to listen the pronunciation of every letter, and to hear also the difference between the letters when they are pronounced in German and, of course, in your language. So let's start.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A.
So guys, you have already listened the first time the pronunciation of the letters, and we are going to repeat it together. So let's do it. The first letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So just try to read the alphabet 3-4 times to be clear and to listen also to make clear how the letters are pronounced. So guys, very good. We have already known how to pronounce the letters in German language. Of course, practice a little bit. And another thing that is important that in German there are 4 letters and they are called unique letters because they are used for the correct pronunciations. And the letters are E, like A, umlaut, and we pronounce like E. In the English word, I made the example bat. So then O, umlaut, and we say like it's like a rounded sound. Then U, umlaut. We need to shape a little bit our mouth, like U, U, U. And S, it is SZ. And this is sharp sounds like SS, his, SS, his. So we have E, Ö, Ü, etc. I also prepared some example to make a little bit of practice. So, for the letter E, A umlaut, we use Äpfel, Mädchen, Käse, Bär, Spät. For O umlaut, Ö, Öl, Österreich, König, schön, Löffel, Löffel. And this Ö should come like from inside, Löffel. Then we have also U umlaut and Über. Not Uber, but Über. Über. You can listen this. Ü. Then Kür, Kür, fünf, fünf, Ü. Glück, Glück, not Gluck. Sometimes this pronunciation like Gluck, not Gluck, Glück. Then Übung, Übung. And for the S, Straße, Straße. You can hear it. SS, Straße. Fußball, Fußball. S, double S. Groß, groß. S. Juice, juice. And then heißen, heißen, heißen. That I would like to ask you also to write in the comment to understand if you get the point, is to write 2-3 words for each umlaut letter. In this case, you just write for the E 3-5 words, then for the O, the U, then for the U, and then for the S. In this way, I can also understand if you got the point or not. And also try to pronounce it a few times to listen a little bit yourself. And if you have the possibility to register yourself, just to listen the pronunciation if you pronounce it in the right way. Good, guys. Also in German alphabet, we have letters like W and V. They are pronounced like V and F. V and F. The letter V sounds like a letter English F. Wasser sounds like Wasser, Wasser, Wasser. And the letter F, V, sounds like Vater, like Vater, Vater. And for example, we have Wasser, sounds like Wasser. Or for example, we sounds like we. And for the letter V, that is here, example that I provided in the word, Vater, like Vater, Vater. Just can you listen a little bit the difference? Wasser and Vater. Vogel, like Vogel, Vogel, V. Also, we have the pronunciation for R. It is like when you pronounce it, it's like a throat, and r. You can feel it. For example, I also made some example for you. Rot, rot. Then ring, not ring, but ring. R. And beer, not bear. Beer. R. You can listen it. You can feel it. Of course, we have also the letters like J, like yoo-hoo, yeah, yeah, yeah. This is yeah, for example. Usually Germans say yeah, 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 yeah. For example, also like ja, jetzt, 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 Jahr, 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 Jahr. And we have letters Z and TS. Z in German it is like z, cats, cats. You can feel it like this is TS, TS. And also I prepared some example for you. Zeit, Zeit. Dann Zen, Zen. Not Zen or Zen, aber Zen, Zena, Zen. Oder Zug, Zug. Not Zug, Zug. TS. This pronunciation is Zug, TS. Very important when you pronounce correctly the words. So that I'm asking you now, it is to write a few words for the letter V, for the letter V, for R, for J and J, and then for the Z. I want that you write these letters, these words in the comments. You don't need to write many, just 3, 4, 5, 6, as many as you want, and try to pronounce them. And maybe you have some difficulties, leave your comment, and we are more than welcome to discuss it. In German language, there are also vowels and consonants. And which is the difference is that when you have two letters like E, you spell it like I, not E, but I. When you see the letters like U, O, like in this example, guys. You see? I, U, O. For example, we don't say ein, but we say ein, 1, 2, 3, Polizei and so on. Oder für die EU, not now, but neu. You can hear it. You can hear it. Also for the consonants like S, G, H, it is sh, not s, but sh. Yeah, this is a little bit like not Schule, but Schule, sh. For the ST, like not Stern, but Stern. You listen, Stern. And GH, like two sounds, not each, but ich, this ich, ach. For example, not Buch, but Buch is a ha. So just to sum up a little bit, I prepared also the table. E, like I, ein, EU, O, like heute, heute. Sh, not schon, or schon, but schon is a Ö that we learned also before. ST, Stuhl, Stuhl. and soft H, ich, ich, ich. And we also have the hard H, like acht, acht, acht. For example, I also prepared for you, just to make it more clear, some sentences. Ich gehe heute mit meinem Hund durch die Stadt. Ein kleiner Vogel, remember, Vogel, sitzt auf dem Dach, und singt ein Lied. Wir sehen, not sehen, eine Tür, dieser schön bemalt ist. Wir kaufen Äpfel, Umlaut, und etwas Käse, again, Umlaut. Bei einem europäischen, europäischen Markt. Mein Hund findet das Essen dort sehr süß. Und ST. You remember? Süß. Und gesund. Es ist schon, SP, spät. With the Umlaut. Spät. Es ist schon spät. Also, gehen wir jetzt nach Hause. Perfect, guys. With when you learn all these letters, when you learn the alphabet, I am much more than sure that you can pronounce all the words correctly. So guys, thank you so much to being with me and to follow this intensive lecture. I hope that you got an idea how the alphabet works. Of course, subscribe, put your like. This will help us to build the community, to communicate with between each other. Just to sum up a little bit, we learned the alphabet, we learned the umlaut, umlaut, umlaut. We learned also how to pronounce V, R, Ja, Z, and the S, for example. And of course, we learned how to pronounce E, U, Sh, CT, H, with the small examples. What I will ask you for the next lectures to bring is to write the examples. So, as I mentioned before during the lecture, what I need that you make some examples for the umlaut letters. Just write in the comment. Then some examples for the letters V, F, R, Ja, Z. Also some examples for E, EU, Sh, CT, H. How can you do it? Just write 5-10 sentences in the comments so that we can compare with the another participants of this channel and to see which strange or difficult words for the pronunciations you found. Okay, so follow me and let's be back in the lecture number 2.